Hello, guys! Valentine's Day is about slowing down, good food, meaningful conversations, and a place that makes the night feel special. If you're planning a romantic dinner in Manila and want something timeless, indulgent, and intimate, steakhouses are always a safe bet. From classic fine dining to modern grills and hidden gems, here's our curated list of the best steakhouses in Manila for Valentine's Day. Perfect for date nights, anniversaries, or celebrating love over a beautifully cooked steak. But before we go over the video, please don't forget to subscribe to Yummy Dish TV for your weekly dose of yummy goodness. Cruise Steakhouse is known for refined luxury without feeling intimidating. Located inside Marriott Hotel, it offers premium cuts, elegant interiors, and impeccable service, ideal for couples who enjoy classic fine dining with a modern edge. The ambience is intimate and polished, perfect for a quiet Valentine's dinner. Price ranges from 3,500 pesos to 6,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: USDA prime ribeye and truffle mashed potatoes. Finestra Italian Steakhouse, located at Soler Resort and Casino, Entertainment City, Parañaque. Finestra blends Italian elegance with premium steakhouse dining. With floor-to-ceiling windows and a warm, luxurious setting, it's ideal for couples who appreciate European flavors, fine wine, and slow, indulgent meals. Price ranges from 4,000 pesos to 7,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendation: Wagyu tagliata, fresh handmade pasta, and tiramisu. Wolfgang Steakhouse. Locations are Newport Mall, Pasay, Uptown BGC, and Greenbelt, Makati. A New York-style classic, Wolfgang's is known for its dry-aged USDA prime steaks. The atmosphere is elegant yet lively, making it perfect for couples who want a celebratory Valentine's dinner with bold flavors and generous portions. Price ranges from 3,500 pesos to 6,500 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: Porterhouse steak for two, prime ribeye, creamed spinach, and New York cheesecake. Ruby Jack's, located at Poblacion, Makati City. Ruby Jack's offers a more relaxed yet refined steakhouse experience. It's cozy, stylish, and perfect for couples who want quality steaks without the hotel dining formality. Great for intimate conversations and a laid-back Valentine's Day. Price ranges from 2,500 pesos to 4,500 pesos per person. Menu recommendation: ribeye steak, lamb chops, steak frites, and chocolate fondant. House of Wagyu Stone Grill at Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. For couples who enjoy interactive dining, House of Wagyu offers premium cuts served on hot stone grills. You control how your steak is cooked, making it fun, personal, and perfect for sharing an experience together. Price ranges from 2,800 pesos to 5,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try their A5 Wagyu Stone Grill, Wagyu Cubes, garlic rice, and matcha cheesecake. Lemuria Gourmet Restaurant, located at Nicanor Garcia Street, Poblacion, Makati City. Lemuria is a romantic garden restaurant offering European cuisine with excellent steaks. Its quiet, candlelit atmosphere feels like a hidden escape. Perfect for couples who want a peaceful Valentine's dinner away from busy crowds. Price ranges from 2,500 pesos to 4,500 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try their Angus ribeye, duck confit, foie gras, and creme brulee. Mirillo at Raffles, Makati. Mirillo is French fine dining at its most elegant. Overlooking Makati skyline, it offers a romantic rooftop setting ideal for Valentine's night. Expect refined flavors, impeccable plating, and an upscale atmosphere. Price ranges from 4,000 pesos to 7,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: dry-aged beef tenderloin, French onion soup, cheese selection, and mille-feuille. Blackbird at the Nielsen Tower, located at Nielsen Tower, Ayala Triangle Gardens, Makati. Set inside the historic aviation building, Blackbird combines nostalgia with modern European cuisine. It's one of Manila's most romantic dining spots, perfect for couples who love atmosphere, history, and beautifully cooked steaks. Price ranges from 3,000 pesos to 5,500 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try the ribeye steak, beef Wellington, truffle fries, and dark chocolate dessert. Caviar Restaurant and Champagne Bar, located at Westgate Center, Alabang Street, Muntinlupa, Metro Manila. Elegant and luxurious, Caviar Restaurant is ideal for couples who want something upscale and intimate. It's perfect for a sophisticated Valentine's celebration with steak, champagne, and refined European flavors. Price ranges from 3,500 pesos to 6,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try their Wagyu steak, beef rossini, caviar service, and chocolate souffle. Caruso Ristorante Italiano, located at Nicanor Garcia Street, Makati City. Caruso offers classic Italian comfort with quality steaks and a warm, romantic setting. It's great for couples who prefer a cozy, traditional Valentine's dinner without feeling rushed. Price ranges from 2,500 pesos to 4,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try their ossobuco, fresh pasta, and panna cotta. The Peak Grill at Grand Hyatt BGC. Located on the hotel's upper floors, the Peak Grill offers stunning city views and modern steakhouse cuisine, perfect for couples who want a scenic Valentine's dinner with contemporary flair. Price ranges from 3,500 to 6,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try their dry-aged ribeye, tomahawk steak, truffle fries, and signature cocktails. Nino Fusion Cuisine, located at Loyola Heights, Quezon City. A longtime favorite for proposals and anniversaries, Nino is set in a charming ancestral house. Its romantic garden setting and fusion menu make it ideal for an intimate Valentine's dinner. Price ranges from 2,500 pesos to 4,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try their beef tenderloin, paella negra, gambas, and chocolate lava cake. Grace Park at Rockwell Center, Makati. Grace Park focuses on seasonal, locally sourced ingredients. It's understated yet elegant, perfect for couples who appreciate thoughtful cooking and a relaxed modern dining experience. Price ranges from 2,500 pesos to 4,500 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: grass-fed ribeye, dry-aged beef, house-made charcuterie, and seasonal desserts. Mamu, located at Rockwell Center, Makati. Mamu is known for its comforting steaks and cozy ambience. It's ideal for couples who want great food without the pressure of formal fine dining. Price ranges from 2,000 pesos to 3,500 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: Angus ribeye, steak and potatoes, spinach dip, and flourless chocolate cake. Mello's Steakhouse, located at Greenbelt, Makati. A Filipino-owned classic, Mello's has been serving quality steaks for decades. It's timeless, elegant, and perfect for couples who appreciate tradition and consistency. price ranges from 2,500 pesos to 4,500 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: ribeye steak, baby back ribs, creamed spinach, and cheesecake. Albert Steak Room, located at Salcedo Village, Makati City. Albert Steak Room is intimate, refined, and focused on premium cuts, ideal for couples who want a quiet, exclusive Valentine's dinner centered on excellent steak. Price ranges from 3,000 pesos to 5,000 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try their dry-aged ribeye, Wagyu strip loin, bone marrow, and chocolate dessert. Stone Steaks, multiple locations in Metro Manila. Stone Steaks is casual, interactive, and fun. Great for couples who want something less formal but still memorable. Cooking your steak on hot stones adds a playful touch to Valentine's dinner. Price ranges from 1,800 pesos to 3,500 pesos per person. Menu recommendations: try their stone grilled ribeye, beef cubes, garlic rice, and brownie a la mode. Valentine's Day doesn't need to be extravagant. It just needs to feel intentional. Whether you're celebrating love, friendship, or simply a good meal together, these steakhouses offer the perfect setting to slow down and savor the moment. Because at the end of the night, it's not just about the steak, it's about who you are sharing it with. Until next vlog!